Ever wondered how to properly charge your crystals? Hello, welcome to Sky Gems. Today we'll be diving into the fascinating process of charging crystals. This is a method used to cleanse, activate and infuse these radiant stones with energy which amplifies their inherent healing properties. Let's start with the first step. To effectively charge your crystals, it's crucial to cleanse them first. You want to get rid of any negative or stagnant energy. You can do this by smudging them with sage, letting them bask in the sunlight or moonlight, burying them in the earth, or using sound vibrations like a singing bowl or tuning fork. The next step is setting your intention. What do you want the crystal to assist you with? Hold the crystal in your hands, close your eyes and focus on that intention. Now it's time to choose how you want to charge your crystals. There are several ways, and the method you choose will depend on your personal preference and the type of crystal you have. You could use sunlight, placing your crystals in direct sunlight for a few hours. However, be careful as some crystals may lose their color in sunlight. Alternatively, you could use moonlight, placing your crystals outside under the full moon's light. This method is especially beneficial for crystals associated with intuition and emotions. Another method is using the Earth's energy by burying your crystals in it for 24 hours. Or you could place your crystals in a bowl of natural spring water for a few hours. But be cautious with this method as some crystals may dissolve or become damaged in water. You can also charge some crystals by placing them on a larger crystal or a crystal cluster. This is a popular method for quartz and selenite. Once you've chosen your method of charging, find a designated charging area for your crystals. This could be a windowsill, an altar, or any other place where they won't be disturbed. After charging your crystals, don't forget to thank them for their work. Hold them in your hands, express gratitude, and reaffirm your intention. Remember, it's important to charge your crystals regularly to keep them energized and ready to assist you. You can also charge multiple crystals at once by grouping them together in a charging area. With proper charging, your crystals will continue to radiate positive energy, supporting you on your journey. Remember, charging crystals involves cleansing them, setting an intention, choosing a charging method, placing them in a designated area, and finally, thanking them. This process enhances the crystal's natural properties and amplifies their healing abilities. So go forth and charge your crystals with confidence. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Sky Gems. And remember, as you go about your day, to spread nothing but love, peace, and crystals.